Good morning, students. Our next lecture is on matplotlib setting limits. I am Vikram Singh Rathod. So we can use the previous lecture as a matplotlib using the grid method, and then I am represent matplotlib setting limits. Basically, matplotlib automatically arrives at minimum and maximum values of variables to be displayed along x-axis and y-axis and z-axis in the case of 3D plot axis of a plot. However, it is possible to set the limits exploiting by using two methods. Those are defined as a set underscore x limit and set underscore y limit functions. So we can use the following limit methods in a example for auto scale limit of x and y axis as shown in the slides, and define a example. First of all, import matplotlib.pyplot as a plt. Then fig is equal to plt.figure method is called, and then define or create a1 variable is equal to fig dot, then call the method of matplotlib add underscore axis, and then put the values as 0, 0, 1, 1. Then import the numpy as a np for the mathematical calculations. Then I am create a x variable and then create a array variable using np.arrange 1, 10. Then a1 dot plot xp x comma np dot as a expression method is called, and put the x value in expression, and a1 dot set underscore title is equal to exp. It show the title of the graph. Then plot the graph using plt dot show method. You can see that the execution of the program, the following graph is created. You can notice that the x-axis is 1 to 9 and the y-axis is 0 to 800, and a line is created as per the expression defined in our codes. You can easily notice that a graph is created. Then after I am execute the above program in Anaconda environment using spider tool. For your conventional, you can write the code and notice that a graph is created. It also define the x limits and y limits as per defining the code. You can notice, and you can also create the program using Anaconda, spider or Jupyter as can you wish, or easily you can use the code. Now we format the limits on x-axis to 0 to 10 and y-axis is 0 to 10,000. So I am writing the above code for in a example. First of all, import matplotlib.pyplot as a plt. Then fig is equal to plt.figure method is used to call the fig method to plot the figure, and then create a a1 variable. Then fig dot add axis is equal to define as a 0, 0 and 1, 1 and put as a arguments. These are the x-axis and y-axis coordinates, and then import the numpy as a np. Then after I am use a x variable and create a range value from 1 to 10. Then create a a1 variable dot plot x and put the values as xp, np dot expression and put x value that is created in arrange method, and then define the line color as a red, and also a1 dot set underscore title is used to define the title of the graph. Then after I am define the y limit and x limit. So first of all, a1 dot set y limit is from 0 to 10,000 and x limit is 0 to 10. You can notice in the graph that the y axis is 0 from to 10,000 and the x limit is 0 to 10, and then the last code is to draw the graph. So I can use plt.show method. It creates the graph. So in the next slide you can notice that as per define the code, the title of the graph is exp and the y limit is 0 to 10,000 and the x limit is 0 to 10. As per defining our code, the graph is created as a red line. You can notice that. And I am also define the above code in Anaconda using spider tool. You can notice that the above program is executed and the graph is created as you can show in our previous slide. That is also created in Anaconda environment using spider tool. Then after I am discuss a next topic, matplotlib dash setting ticks and ticks label. Basically ticks are the markers denoting data points on axis. Matplotlib has so far in all our previous examples automatically taken over the task of the spacing point on the axis. Matplotlib default ticks locators and formatters are designed to be generally sufficient in many common situations. Position and labels of the ticks can be explicitly mentioned to suit specific requirements. The xticks and yticks functions takes a list objects as an argument that is defined in our program when we will create the program. The elements in the list denote the position on corresponding action where ticks will be displayed as define a I am here as a ax dot set x ticks is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 as a x axis ticks. This method will mark the data points at the given position with ticks that is defined in our previously slides such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly, label corresponding to the ticks marks can be set as by set x labels and set y labels functions respectively. So we can also define the labels as a ax dot set x labels as a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 as a string type values at the x label or x-axis of the graph. This will display the text label below the markers on the x-axis. Following example demonstrate the use of ticks and labels. So I am create an example. In this example I am called the three libraries matplotlib, numpy and maths. Here maths is calling for the calculation of the pi values that is used in x np array. So first of all, x variable is defined as np.arrange 0 math.pi into 2 and 0.05, and then fig as a figure to create the figure. So I'm use the plt alias name of matplotlib and then call the figure method. X is equal to fig dot add underscore axis, such the main axis those are 0.1 0.1 0.8 0.8 as a main axis, and then create a y variable using the sign value of the x. So I write here np dot sign and put the x value as calculate the sign values, and ax plot x comma y is plot the x and y axis of the graph, and then after I am setting the labels. X label is an angle and the title of the graph is a sign, and then x ticks values as 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6, and then after ax dot set x tick label as a string values such as 0 2 4 6, those you can see in the graph as a x axis, and y axis is text as a -1 0 and 1, and then after I am writing the plt.show to create the graph. So you can notice that here two axes are defined as here the x-axis is defined the string values as such as defined in our previous code 0 2 4 6, and the numerical values of y-axis defining the code as a -1 0 and +1, and the title of the graph is sign is also defined here. So you can use the code in Anaconda environment. I am also create the program in Anaconda environment and create the above graph using the sine theta values and the x setting values and y axis setting values. You can notice for your convenience you can write the code and create the graph. Thanks students.